everybody, this is Michael with Food Travelers, and in this episode we're sharing our experience staying at the Kimpton Hotel Monaco in the Salt Lake City, Utah. It's a very convenient location and walkable distance to Temple Square, Convention Center, Delta Center, the theaters, City Creek Center, and Gallivan Center. We got the essential queen room with 2 queen beds and city view. It's about 350 square feet. As you enter the room, there will be a closet in the entry area. In the closet, you will find a field steamer, extra pillow, 2 robes, hangers, and a luggage rack. And there was a tag that read dial 0 or text the number for fast delivery of the ironer and the ironer board to the room if that is something that is needed. Opposite of the entrance to the room is the bathroom. Like many IHG hotels, the amenities included everything that you need for your stay, with plenty of towels, soap, lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, a hair dryer, and extra TP. The bathroom was plenty large, and I also think the counter space as well was pretty large, and it was nice that they had these cubby holes for extra storage. The water was quick to warm up. I was disappointed by the housekeeping for not switching the tub spout diverter back to the tub nozzle at the faucet. It was redirected to the water to the shower head. As you can see in the video, my camera and my body was all wet the moment I turned on the shower. Shower head was also facing towards the outside of the tub. It was a pretty big mess to clean up. Another thing I wanted to point out was the door to the bathroom. There isn't a lock feature to it. If you're staying with a friend, you'll have to communicate who is using the bathroom and to not walk up or walk in on each other. The door is a bit sticky and tight. It doesn't pull very smoothly, and there's also a gap. Luckily, the mirror is further away and not pointed directly from the door of the bathroom. And moving along to the bedroom side of the room, it's a very spacious room. As I said, it was 350 square feet. There's a lot of plugs, including USB outlets throughout the room. Plugs on the side of the TV stand, the table, bedside table, and also by the lamps. Underneath the TV is a small fridge, a safe, ice bucket, plus 2 more cups. And being on the 7th floor, you will still hear a lot of noise from the streets with engine cars revving and among other things. For the most part, it was fairly quiet. There was a dog staying down the hall on the same floor. You could hear it barking when you're walking down the hallway, but you wouldn't be able to hear it from the room, which was pretty nice. The beds were pretty comfortable. There was plenty of space to walk around the room. And here in the video, you can see the view at night. There is a parking lot across the street, a bus stop, and here is the view of the daytime. As you can see in the video, in the daytime, it's pretty convenient with the tram going by. And something I noticed, there's a lot of scooters around town, and it's pretty easy to just pick up and use with the app, of course. And there is water on the bedside. However, the water is not free. They do have the price labels on each bottle. And there was a USB and the USB-C plugs on the table side in between the beds. What's interesting to see, the table side did not have any drawers underneath, as many hotels would have had this feature. As you saw in the video, I was demonstrating that it was not something that could be opened. And like many IHG hotels, there are 2 different type of pillows. one soft and one firm pillow. And here in the video I show the difference of how springy it is. Overall, it's a great location, a very comfortable stay if you're looking for a hotel in downtown Salt Lake City.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.